Hey everyone, Shane and I just got back from the Kiamichi Mountains. We were down there staying at a friend's cabin, and we were there for 9 days. The gentleman who let us stay on his property, his name was Sean, and he was gracious enough to give us access to put all of our tents up out there and a place to retreat back to from all the research that we were doing. We did go around quite a few places and did some research. But the owner of the cabin, Sean, was very gracious in getting us access to a hunting lease. So we were able to go back on a hunting lease that he had friends on and that he was a member of. And they had a lot of activity on this hunting lease. So we went back there one of the nights that we were there, and Sean had a whistle. And this whistle is an interesting whistle. You could probably look it up. It's called an Aztec Death whistle. And he had used it before with some success. So we were going to go onto this hunting lease and use this whistle. I had not heard it at this point. So I looked up a little information on this Aztec Death whistle. And apparently in 1999, a couple of these whistles were found in the hands of a 20-year-old sacrificial subject at an archaeological dig. So I believe from what I read, these were part of a death ceremony, sacrifice deaths, slave deaths. The whistle's kind of eerie sounding, and possibly it was used at the moment of death, to summon whatever it summons, or seize off the body's soul or whatever. There's some debate on whether or not this whistle could have been used in war. If the warriors would blow these whistles in times of war, it would probably invoke fear and terror into their enemies, as indeed it did elicit some of those type of feelings when we heard it for the first time in the middle of the night on this hunting lease. But what we're going to do is I'm going to play the videos, and it's all in thermal. So I was filming this all in my thermal camera. So you can see him bring the whistle out. The camera crew was there, and we go into, blowing it and listening to see what's going on. So we will take you to the hunting lease and let you watch the video from the moment we broke the whistle out.
Is everybody ready?
On that side, yeah. If he's more just everything on that side.
Does my ass look fat?
No, your abs match your hind end.
Thank you. Got that S curve.
How he does it though. No talking, Blair.
It does look. Blair, you got
See, I'm gonna be like that.
maybe you should. Yeah. No, he'll be then I'm front lining. So go like this then. There you go. That's nice. Okay, that's what I wanted. Cool.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
It's like nails on chalkboard. heard something, but
That one?
yeah, but the wind was
Yeah,
affecting my hearing too much.
yeah, at some distance. So
Yeah, it
I'd,
sounded
I'd
like
say
it was-
I'd say in 15 minutes do it again and see if maybe something doesn't work itself a little closer. If something heard that and they're like, we got to get wherever that's at, they're going to start working their way this way. So let's give them 15 minutes and do it again and see if something is closer.
But was it me? Was it just me, or did you guys hear something faint that
Yeah.
way?
The wind's making it
The
difficult, but it in the distance, yes.
Okay. Yeah, let's just kind of.
I like it.
That's just a nasty sound.
I know. It's boring.
So I walked off into the distance, and about 100 yards around the way down the logging road, and I cupped my hands together to whistle, to give him a signal to play the whistle, to blow the whistle again. So I was out there by myself with the thermal camera in the direction of the noises that we thought we heard, so that I could be further away, but yet closer to where the noise happened. So I was out there when he blows the whistle a second time. So I'm some distance from the whistle. So it's going to certainly not be as loud. But this next view is me off by myself. Alright, this mission is done. I don't see anything going on.
Thanks a lot, Squatches.